adwuma ye di aboa enyanka ebo ni bi ma na mu mbetwemadi aswe me ma lele fone mfa wo muni when a first was nigga board you see I was one am sa advert and so there mean G below 20,000 mean G below 20,000 mean G below 200 million mean
Yaw Dabo, you are a big liar, very big liar, shameless liar, and you're a very ungrateful chap.
Open their fine own person. I'll tell them that they should pay you for the advert. And don't say no sponsorship in there, you are the future because I know the Lebanese man, I know what pay.
Roberto say me buy my TBB by Paulino me say me buy no. Menya recording bi mebo na ye nyina yetie we concerning Yaw Dabo any DKB comedian and sema trago social media we each time and Dabo call Accra FM and Accra FM Nana Romeo shows Nana Romeo we be a Paulino Michel senior o call show no so na Nana Romeo bisa na say yaw na why adwuma ama yatwe wadida and all the call to just I Lily Rice for action edi we try advert amoma omonde ato UTV omu yia omunchia neka na ensem nim na ochire mu se e bag nsa na okotwa advert ne concern se ombema no omu product ne bi na ode sponsor na academy but when hu ne sa na product so omu yes omu de brand so ha na enye enough enti or request say ne sa dia monye ne 50 mama me cash 50 na mama mo product ne
bi adwuma ma lele for
okay
lele rice
okay
ma hu sa advert ne eda bonten me wa blochile na me manager no ani mi team no etwa de sende me se wo ma hu se wo mo bo lele advert no e wo UTV na mi hu ye no na mi so okay because of lele for no wo ma bu mi kwase a se ka so obi kwase a
lele fo abu kwase a
lele fo abu mi kwase a
how
enye ade a na me pese me kan
okay
because ache
okay
what I say be me van say eko 4 months ni me free Dubai by December and chebia na be yes adwuma ntimi zan 4 months 5 months ni bla e bibi me ba mo se me per sponsorship
okay
inti me defa DKB so
okay
eno na mo kasa inti me kra de eya na mo so muntimi nye inti me de me ye na me twa so
okay
inti na ewo man ma Freddy KB se o na ne me ekose no so unkofo no nte o mka inti me ko Dubai inti Dubai na me wo ena DKB Freddy o ma me voice message se one nkofo na kasa pushi o ma afere nkofo ne se wo mo bede memwa wo na wo nso nye de emwa me
okay
ana mso memwa wo se na wo mo me no so se wo mbe ya advert bi enti ensa kone ensa aba se metwa advert na metwa wo nso be ma me niema
okay
but wo ntimi enye se e bia vi month bia wo mbe ma me se ska se ba wo mbe ma me niema
okay
e bia se bia every 3 months ya and every 2 months ya wo mbe ma me niema a metimi ebia emone niema na medi ama team no na mso okay se sponsorship ebi ontimi ma month na every 3 months bi obetima agada bibia ma wa ni nyina sponsorship ana me nso obi kan ya man forma sebi nkura na egu wo no ajanka wom oni bi ema wo
onkwala na omo wo ha omo bobo ma
yes makada me
ebi enyanka
wom obo a we totally ni mami no ni papa no obu aye fan o street so obu e ko fan o village obu e fan o orphanage home ehone intino me makada me minjiska
okay
bibia e free because of enkrana one more talent o mni mbobo pa no mo na ni obia obu abeshi enkrana de odi clearing into fana na wonso ama na asere we ase yenye hwe media kita mewu amejawo adena mi fa mu obi a obetime nya so mfa so wonne
for sure
de me kan wa jaze sa oye papa oye ma nyame onya ma nipa sana me live my life me boy ni free ban obusa na obeka achiro sana me live my life eti oni me ye nhihye so okay be ye adwuma ntim ba set so na mfra me boss ko fia sama na mse fada me be ye adwuma ono kro no bufu me no se twa se ye bibia di gun krata aso ansakra makotwa so me ni DKB akasa me wo evidence me wo bibia kire se nipa no wa den or say memla me
service.
Yes. Also ne panina nkasa eden akasa. Me ne tim ne nso akasa. Omo se woman na mama assurance bibia ntino memla. Na set ne sonso mpanifo aba bedru legend tentwa se wa bedru o se menye. Esa wan fo buo kura anya den ama anye ye adwuma. Ye adwuma ni wie na mi busam sani amane be bada ben mo se mentwen afa na mu yi mu container lele phone ana metwen na mu yi container ni wie na mo ni amane be bada ben mo se na den o mo kwatena ase no eni amam den da ya dinti no afa advert na mi betwa o be man 50 million
Anka ni 50 million, 5,000 cedis.
5,000 cedis. Mo be ma men 5,000 cedis. Na wo msia, me so okay. Se me na ma tutu me ne ma yi, ene mo nyame. Mo de mo fa 5,000 ma me.
Yeah.
Afa mo fa 5,000 ma me alele fo fa 5,000 ma me a. Afa mo na wo nipa ba kwa frem. 5,000 ye nya ni nyina. Enti ye be ma emu ni amount 25 million.
Yes, omu chemi no. Omu de half no be ma o. Enoma.
Na wo mama me. Enam
half na ma.
Omu kan am so nya big deal. Se me jiska na am de koto emu na ama nkola no. Eni ni ama. Afrom be ma me mo no sen a. En first na wo m se 50 million wo mu ma miska wo m di ni nyina ma me emu no. Ana wo m se 50 million wo be ma me emu no. 50 kg no. Wo be ma me 12.
Okay.
50 million one be ma me mono 50 kg no one ma me such as a bag no 12 na me see there be 50 million bag 12 there am wa me enti saade a mum first kan ma me na wo mzi scan wo enti niam mu ade na me so okay saade a mum am 25 million what I say musi money saade am be chim musi saade am be chim be ma me 25 million mama me am enso and I'm musing by my man so 6 bags. What I say? 6 bags. Now, Mama, I'm 25 million. And me and I'm catching me say. I'm 6 bags and I ain't count. I'm on the boarding. Tisadia, I'm 6 bags plus 25 million. Yeah, because I'm nim say, yeah, son, walk my mamma 12 bags and maybe our mamma 25 million crying account. Now, 6 bags.
Na mo ba ko cry saying.
What I 6 bags. Now I'm 25 million there. Say and there M1. It's any from 50 million mommy na me fan ko tom.
Sir.
Wa mo de ne e kina afi kwa dem flower ma wo mo mfa bi. Afi dem flelele fo na wo mo mfa bi. Ana me ye dem twa akire. Enti me fra me lawyer. Ana m ka chen say na wo ma ye me. Ano kacham so into agreement be na mso say me we evidence kasa omne me kan voice chatting bibia no say nya big deal na ni nkrata so na mse da bi no so eno kra no de me wo no evidence
yeah
it na problem eti oye na asem o kacham say advert na ama abonten a mintimi nsi wo because of ebia woman use it means you but say wo mo da advert na e ba bontia met matwa wo damage because wo ma use me image wo ma ntwiaka nti say ba bontia pe wo met mercy wo it man kasa me so me flow ma wo mfa na mtwachi it me too kwan me wo US na wo de say say dabu didio na me say adan me didi si lele for bo advert no advert mo bo une su na so na me say me see cross na me say yes inti lele for there obi bebu mi a me ma wo mu because of wo mu so for the different country sa country na wo mfiri ba ha no ho no ye mu kwase a ho se wo me yawe ho ntimi mfa celebrate entwini ni
dabi
intin o yawe oya we inti pani ni ya we sama be ya adwuma ma no no oya we say o ma miska yeyi wo TV so o ma miska no etwa so obusa ni team no said abone mo atua ne ka because of so be a project ma etwa so hu say bibia e complete
ansana de babon emranti enti no me kan aka si supi sem dilele for kokot wow
me kana me dilele for kokot
wow
because me senya emona se de be ma me na I won't do advert because me amu sana me di wo fie anka obeka chem so be ma me mu 3 months bia emona me di gufi aye den sa me de ye den enya nkura na because yen so no nyame ena de ato yakoma so yen so academy ne ye fo obi da achi enti se me bre se me po obi da achi na wo mebu mi kwase a me amuna me gin me ji akoma nkura no nkura no wo mu ni
anyanka nyina wo
me makura na ye maduane ma me wo camp me player ebu a scam de be mana ebu a body mi hwene ye no ane saa na midi ebu a budget a wom de be didwa atwima ko ebu a 3 cd 5 cd afa makura nti mi hwe mi se o e manager mi san mu de mu ni di me de minim de me ye de me ye what I say na me bre we ase the investment de wo ye nyame betima hye no wanu munyam be na komode me na echena mi benya so mfaso a eno ye since de na megimani na da ache mebele inti mi ye investment enti say investment na me yen enye ni nyina mpo na benya so mfaso ye obu obeko obebu kwase a ye obu obeko obekayo what I say ye obu okodu oblocheku obetima ka say no ni what I say enti adwuma ye di aboa enyanka ebo ni bi ma na mu mbetwemadi aswe me ma lele fone mfa wo mundi
ya wani abreo aswe nyina
aswe me ma lele fone mfa mundi me yeda inti mi modua media mi modua
ba to do mbe famra kwan
me di won be famra kwan when afia so snega bodua esi awo wonye
tawo de eda de onsusu
me yeda da bi edua body enye nipa ye modua
na oba wa Fred DKB men frère
na
ane na umbusa na se bia usika bedi no ha ana wono hanga osaka
se DKB wono wanka men saka
okay
what I say se DKB die oboae ana adwuma no mo de maye enti no se ana obi an frame se DKB on frame se bia yaw e bia advert ye de ababontin usika sem na kosisen ana sisi what I say me so maintain wo hwe
na one one twa advert no
oh advert no me Antipolina uni ma Antipolina
minim no pa
yes ana mine bi me wura findi o ye TikTok
okay
oh wajidin pa no twa enkran movies ni bi me ni wom ne twa na DKB nsu twa bi
okay
advert no kra wo me phone su sisi
wow
yes
nti da be na o be kokot
oh sa fe na ma bagana
okay
Asem no nam person fama lawyer ampaw nam person men transfer ma lawyer ampaw
o su de obedi ne kama ma
lawyer ampaw de mi gini di sin se de me boss akra hye me yes
e wo sa ansem bi se hu
yes lawyer ampaw de ye hu lawyers oye faithful oyobia wo de asem de hia se wudi bem unim so wudi bem na wo be hia na be kireche wo nsemu ono de wo be kiremu yi what I say
ha so na mba obi sa na Yaw Dabo na mo ye
yes
kwa me
enti mi me hwa lawyer ampa ebetima o hia me lawyers for na o betima handle
and so we have a friend
I'm a friend lawyer ampa
okay
lawyer ampa
o de bibia be kama de metima kana no
media se bibi ya from court na wo mba na wo ma be chem de enti wo mu use me image wo mu ntwa meka what I say
who here we image right
yes so wo mu ma miskanen so amen court but this time engineer ma bia wo mu mla na mi
se who here ska
me tro wo miska me twa Vodafone because me be twam di ka kire wo de meji ana wo mse de meji no wo mu ntimi ntwa enti e be bageni bata enti say ya bata na matwuma dia eye ne ma nkwa minya mpebie me mpam nene wo mu fa mi sika mele me ska meje no Woman family, sad veteran, so there, mean G below 20,000.
And he said they were near Brio.
Mean G below 20,000, mean G below 200 million. Mean yes.
Abraham Masha says to see the nice.
Yes.
Almost have a show with no.
Yes.
Okay. We live to see. Say Bibiania Obamaya who they continue.
Bibiani so mema.
We Asem DKB ete no mo anjo so e na oba bonte no say no. Double, don't be ungrateful. Stop lying to the people and oba no. There be double nsema working nyina o twantro. Oho and a double friend say obeso ye link up to Lily Rice no sponsor the soccer academy and as a brother on so boy. Into your boy we and na quiet say omo enya advert deal and push it double share. So okay, akra bi o me dey emfa double enya akra no ne ntwa. Nti omo twawe en na am say Lily for years on my Yaw Dabo 10,000 worth of rice.
Hello, good evening, everyone. There's some video going around from Kumawood actor Yaw Dabo about my brand Lily. I'm the brand ambassador for Lily Ghana, and it is very unfortunate. Yaw Dabo, you are a big liar, very big liar, shameless liar, and you're a very ungrateful chap. You see, sometimes I understand why people don't want to help people. I was there when you linked up with me that you have a football academy and you need to feed the boys. The constraint is so much. So I should help you with Lily since I work with Lily. I said, cool, no problem. I'll push you in. So I decided to start lobbying for you because the company were not ready to sponsor anything. And then we had a staff awards night. I called you to come, do some small thing on stage so that the bosses will know you. Then I can start, pushing from that angle. You came, we did it, and the bosses got to see you. And I started pursuing, and there was an advert. So this advert, I'm going to chase a lady. Her kid brother will block me, and then blah blah blah. So I said, let's make the kid brother Yaw Dabo because he has been looking for an opportunity. So when you came to shoot the advert, I remember you asked me, hey, so how much are they paying me? I said, look, I'm pushing you in. Get in there, shoot the advert. Let it be a reference point for your negotiation. You said, fin, you shot the advert. In the end, I negotiated for you, and company said, okay, they'll give you 10,000 cedi worth of food items. I got you that, congrats, you have 10,000 worth of food items for your football academy boys. You came back that you want some small cash to sort something, so they should make it half food, half cash. Then I got back to them, pleaded with them that we need 5,000 cash, 5,000 food for you. Then they sent you, they said, okay, fine. They'll do 5,000 cash, 5,000 food. They send you the food items list, and the food items list is not much. So now you want full cash, 10,000. What kind of tricky behavior is that? What kind of tricky behavior is that? And the company said, no. You came for food, so they are giving you food for the boys. Why is that you came with your football boys and you wanted food for them? Now you want to change the whole thing, take all the money, put it in your pocket. Yaw Dabo, when you wanted help, why did you go to the radio station to go and ask for the help? Huh? That you have football academy and they should help the boys, feed the boys. Why did you go to radio station? You have my number, why didn't you call me? Let me show you something. Let me show you guys something. The Lily Ghana agreed that to give Yaw Dabo 5,000 cedi worth of food items, 5,000 cedi cash, and we've left it at the Lily Ghana Kumasi branch. So the whole time I thought, Yaw Dabo has gone for his food items. No, you have not gone for it because you want 10,000 cash. Company said you came that you want food. We've given you food and we've given you cash. So we are not making 10,000 cash for you because the proposal he brought, he wanted food items. So if you wanted food items and the company has been considerate enough to make it half food, half cash, why are you ungrateful? You didn't want to take it. Now you want full cash. Yaw Dabo, you need to apologize for this because all the emails are there, all the transactions are there. You need to apologize before you are dragged to court for this because a big company like Lily, after, taking care of Ghanaians of this world, you can't come and disrespect the company like that. So Dabo, word of caution to you, go to the same platform, same presenter, and apologize to Lily Ghana because you're a big liar. The food and the money is at Kumasi Lily branch. You haven't gone for it. How do you come for only food and then we add money? You say you don't want money, now you want full money. What's wrong with you? So Yaw Dabo, this is a warning and caution to you. Go and apologize before you see.
That was the daddy. Mo breme rice kakrabi of which say and bruisa no chad with crana a bo ojana eno oje. Now we there also be abe bu no kwase a we the money mu no kwase ada o de be court asem no ebe court obi be say asem no e da so court enti me pese me count say baby but audio a menya ye ne say I think the beginning of the whole thing no how the conversation went between Yaw Dabo and DKB last part of the video. Me de bema now so no wetie now so watch wadwe. But me de my dwen mu de I think say we issue ayi nyina betimi affix because so here Yaw Dabo kasemu wo Nana Romeo show so wan shada nka bi boni bi amfa DKB ho na wan ka bi boni bi amfa DKB ho. But say osi DKB so yeden adwuma na emom but say ebe back and forth and stuff there ye nyina ebe bompa se nyina ebetwa na ankowie or court Asem there a whole lot of issues but Dabo say no on less than 20,000 Ghana cedis on less than 20,000 Ghana cedis but this issue I think is I was say afenu nyina tenase na omoka na omo solve no amicably na Asem na Asem echo audio no eto aso nti so tie wi a na wo de wadwen kire aide aba the name is Armstrong Polino there subscribe and click it the notifications and be part of the family. Instagram Polino_com, TikTok me and also Polino_com.
Yo, I mean, call for no. Sisiano, what I've done is I've been able to push you through to become a part of the family. Until next week, you better advert. Until I'm more consider until they push you ashame. So I think they don't know my mom. I think they'll call you, so that you feature in the advert for the new Lily Rice advert. You know? Ono ya o meska o. We try advert man na o meska, but o sponsor. So sana me use their survivors all the Lily advert now we hu nyina no. Me man charge it. We could try to free. But anytime me hear program on na my friend first no sponsor me. Last Friday say, hey, I'm not cheap. Wednesday, we call no home. My baby tell you you know, you should also look at it that way. So you can have a long relationship. So advert, you know, I think say they will sort your transport, will do DMO, etc. But there won't be payment. So that almost in return, almost early next year, which is January, you know, they will take care of you and your football thing, you know, they'll sponsor you. Me say, me no can say they're coming to sponsor me comedy show. You know. It's because of the relationship now, me no more. So, open their for own person. I'll tell them that they should pay you for the advert. And no say no sponsorship in there, you are going free. So because I know the Lebanese man, I know what pay. Obi a independent boy, no for boy independent. Sponsor, you know, we are what now? You advertisement sponsor the whole year. Obey almost every 3 months. What no access rice oil na dey na some of the kakra for transport. 500 bill, 1,000 bill. Benya no dey for car. Obey sasa 3-4 months be 2 bro. Chale look sharp.